Have you ever felt like you have been in that new place before? Or experienced the same moment before? Or maybe on your first visit to Copenhagen, you were thinking, I've been here before. This seems familiar. I feel like I've seen this before.
Here's your cup of coffee, sir.
Déjà vu is the feeling that one has lived through the present situation before. It's a French phrase that translates literally as already seen.
Here's your cup of coffee, sir.
It feels like you have seen this before. Almost 90% of us will experience déjà vu during our lives, mainly in our teens and 20s, and rarely before ages 8 and 9. Déjà vu isn't a physical phenomenon we can pinpoint in a brain scan. It's a feeling, and not one that we totally understand. But we've got a few theories.
Here's your cup of coffee, sir.
Dual neurological processing. In 1964, Robert Efron of Boston's Veterans Hospital proposed that déjà vu is caused by dual neurological processing caused by delayed signals. This is when two normally coordinated cognitive processes become momentarily out of sync. For example, if I feel familiar with something, it might be because my brain has retrieved a memory similar to that one that I'm currently experiencing. Another theory is about the nervous system not functioning properly. The information passing through your eyes into your brain is reaching in at different times. Let's say the information gets from your left eye to your visual cortex just before the information from your right eye gets there. These two events happen in such a short amount of time that the left eye's information is not stored as memory yet. But since your brain received the information twice, it feels familiar. Our memories aren't exact copies that we just write once and then store like files on a computer. Remembering is more like reliving. Our brains are always scanning our senses to determine if what we're experiencing is familiar. And once our brains label a stimulus as familiar, a different brain region called the hippocampus recalls the memory associated with it, refiring the neural circuits that hold that piece of our past, and we live the experience again in our minds. If these steps get out of sync, if something is deemed familiar, but we fail to recall the context, that could be déjà vu. Or maybe it's just a glitch in the simulation. Have you ever experienced déjà vu? Today's poster is Njav Street in Copenhagen, Denmark. Download and print it for free. I'm Zebful, and this has been Informia.